Hello again. This is Jent's daughter coming back. I just got cooking on me today. You guys better roll with me. Jent's daughter, she always cooks with tons and tons of love. She seasons everything she prepares with love. So tons of love going in this chili tonight that we're making. All right, get your gear ready, get your mindset, and here we go. This chili tonight is going to be kind of fast. I've already browned up approximately a pound of hamburger in my cast iron skillet here. I drained it and I put a seasoning package. But let me tell you something. You can make your own seasoning. You don't have to get a packet of chili seasoning out of the store. Put what you like in it. You can put garlic salt or onion powder. You can put let's see, you can put cumin, you can put paprika, you can put a bunch of different things. You can put chili powder, you can put just whatever you like in it. The packets are really fantastic, but if you want to customize yours, then by all means do exactly that. What I'm just stirring this in real good here. Hopefully you can see that. I might need to bring it in a little bit closer, change burners. I don't want to change burners. This one's already nice and hot. But I'm just stirring it in. Now, back to those seasonings. Any of those seasonings that you like, fresh garlic. Any type of seasoning that your palate enjoys, you go for it. You go for it. And I'm sure you will love it. So next I'm going to add a can of tomatoes. This is a can of diced tomatoes that I just picked up from the grocery store. Pouring it in. You hear that sizzle, sizzle? You hear the sizzle, sizzle. And next you can use pinto beans or kidney beans. And tonight, let's see, what do I want to do? I'm going to use, let me see. I think I'm just going to use 1 can of beans. Yeah. I'm going to use 1 can. And I like spice. You guys know I like, just sort of like spice. So I'm going to put some more spices in mine. And after this simmers down, it cooks a bit, maybe about 10-15 minutes or so. I'm using dark kidney beans tonight in sauce. But whatever you desire, that's what I want you to use. Pouring it in. And it's going to be, I think, about an even combination of meat and beans. Sometimes I have like too many beans in mine. So I'm learning to do better with that. So I'm just going to mix this in real good. The toppings will be cheese or sour cream, avocado, green onion, whatever it is that you like as a topping. I told you this was going to be easy. Did I say it was going to be easy peasy? Well, you see it is easy peasy. I'm practically done. So I'll put all the ingredients. Look at here. Before I shut off here, look at that. A hearty meal. A hearty meal. Especially, it's getting those cool nights. What a wonderful meal. Easy. Get your hamburger, approximately a pound. Get your either a seasoning pack for chili or make your very own. Be creative. You can do this. And then you add you got your hamburger, then you add your tomatoes, your diced tomatoes. If you don't do tomatoes, then do some ketchup. You can do tomato sauce instead of diced tomatoes. You make it your own. Then you put whatever beans you like, whether it's the kidney beans or the pinto beans. You make it uniquely yours. My phone's ringing on the other side, guys. I've got to go. Subscribe. And remember, I cook with love. I'm Jent's daughter. That's exactly what I do. Bye-bye. Guys, I just could not leave you hanging like that. I just could not with these chilies. tonight, I just had to bring you back and show you the finished product. I just want you to see it. And of course, I'll do a little sample, a test or a taste sample. All right, let me just make sure my lighting is so you can see all that steam coming off. The cheese, my topping of choice was cheese tonight. You can use avocado, you can use sour cream, onion, or just plain old chili. You don't have to put any topping on it if you don't want any at all. Now this is still a little bit hot, so I'm just gonna blow and I'm gonna taste. And my mouth is literally salivating. I know this is going to be off the chart. All right, let me see. Let's see if that lighting's a little bit better. I hope so. I hope so. Again, it's a little hot, so I'm gonna blow. My. Oh, my. So comforting. Warm going down. So tasty. Smells wonderful. Looks wonderful. Tastes wonderful. You can do this. You can absolutely do this. Look at that. Look at that. Make this on a cool fall night or anytime you choose and enjoy every savory bite. I'm going this time. Subscribe, click on the notification bell, and I'll see you next time.